Welcome to the Stockology, getting started with the stock market beginner series. Today's session is all about candlesticks. We have learned about different charts, different trends, and candlesticks are the prime element of any chart. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about two basic candlesticks and the psychology behind it. First is bullish, and second is bearish. Bullish. Let us first see what do you mean by bullish. Before we go ahead with the candlestick, basically there are buyers and sellers in the market. Buyers are termed as bulls and sellers are termed as bears. So in stock market, you can imagine there is a fight between buyers and sellers. You may say there is a fight between bulls and bear, and ultimately there has to be one winner. So when the buyers are aggressive, that time bulls will win and they will manage to take the price higher. In the fight of bulls and bear, if you notice, bulls will try and push the opponent in the upside direction, whereas the bear will try and push down the opponent. Okay, likewise, if the buyers are aggressive, they will bid more, they will be aggressive, and they will manage to take the price higher. Let us understand this in perspective of the candle. Candle is a rectangular body. If you notice a solid green color candle, it is termed as a bullish candle. Now, why it is called as bullish candle? Let us understand. We have learned that each candle has four values: open, high, low, and close. Imagine if this is a daily candle. That means if the candlestick is printed on a daily time frame. As we all know that stock market opens at 9:15 am Indian time. So the first price is recorded at the open. Okay, so this is price number X, which is opening. If in this particular day bulls are aggressive or buyers are aggressive, they will try and push price upwards and the stock prices rises. At the end of the closing, at the end of 3:30 pm, when the market closes, price is closing at the upper end of the open. So in a way, in this particular day, you will see the stock price has risen and giving rise to strong green current candle, which is known as bullish candle. Okay, so in the bullish candle, you have a strong body which is green color. You have open at the lower end and closing at the upper end. You will also notice there is this upper week or upper shadow and lower week or lower shadow. Now, what do I mean by upper week and lower week? In the throughout day's action, price will record this highest value in the bidding. Okay, so there will be buyers and sellers trading at this level also. So in a particular day, the highest price that has been traded will be recorded at the high, and the lowest price that will be recorded at the low point. So in bullish candlestick pattern, you have a body, you have a upper wick and a lower wick marking the high and low of the candle. Likewise, vice versa for the case in the case of bearish candle. Bearish candle is a strong candle which is red in color. In this candle, you will notice price opening is at the upper end. Whole day, although in the whole time frame, the bears, the sellers are aggressive and they will try and take the price down. So generally this occurs when there is a lot of supply and sellers are aggressive. They are ready to sell at whatever price and they will push the price down, manage to close at the lower end. So in a bearish candlestick, you will notice price opening it at the upper end, closing at lower. It will also have the upper wick and lower wick. So this is the bearish. Psychology wise, you will have to understand that bullish candle means buyers are aggressive, so the demand is more, and in bearish candlestick the sellers are aggressive, so the supply is more. That is how you will understand the candlestick. Now in the chart, if you go and see, let us understand where do we see the bearish and bullish candle. So now this is Reliance chart in front of me, daily candle. So you will notice there are so many candles. Wherever you will notice this strong green color candle, this is a bullish candle where price opening is at over here, closing is above. So in this particular day the buyers were aggressive, hence the candle is known as bullish candle. Likewise, if you notice a red color solid candle, it is a bearish candle where opening is above and closing price is at the lower end. You will notice there are multiple such candles over here. Now this is the daily chart, so you will understand the daily action. If I change the time frame, the concept remains same. So on a monthly time frame, I will notice the whole candle is of month. So for example, if this is January month, January 2023, and January 2023 was a red candle, that means bearish candle. So I can conclude that in January month the sellers were aggressive and they could manage to take the price down. In the current month, which is June, currently June is yet to over, but you will see a green candle, that means in this particular month the buyers are aggressive and making this candle bullish candle. I hope this was pretty helpful for you to understand bullish and bearish candles. Thank you.